find you in the mystery, in oceans deep, my faith will stand.
From farm to table, food passes through many hands, accumulating bugs and chemicals that can make you really sick unless we clean them properly with baking soda. #vinegar. Followed by now we are opening a #clean #SUPERFOOD, slice off the top 1-inch, cut down the sides.
I just learned fortunately I'm wearing dark clothing. Never do a pomegranate with light clothing. So I just learned to do this today. Here, we made a little hole there. Less than a minute. You have your pomegranate. A bit messy, so make sure that you use make sure that you wear dark. I've shown you 3 methods. One is using sticking the straw in it. That's fine. It's a little messier. The other is using the water in the bowl. And by the way, I still have more water I can add to my chia, celery, and lemon. Chia gets so thick so quickly, so you can keep adding the same water. You've cut the arrows. Arrows are like the covers of the seeds to your chia drink throughout the day. There you have it, 3 ways to open your chia, each under a minute. So you keep adding water to your chia fresca. I love to sip chia and lemon water throughout the day. It's so hydrating. That's one way. Or add this chia to your, not chia, bloopers. Add this pomegranate to your salads. Eat it by itself. It is so good. It is so very delicious. Here. So good. Add a little bit of chia and lemon to your pomegranate. You have a nice drink. You can sip, keep adding water throughout the day. Nothing goes to waste. And I found out that the chia seeds, the third way is this. And I found out Have you ever squeezed a vitamin E capsule on your face? Here. Your hand or your face? So good. I tried it the other day because I saw that my body shampoo and my body wash has pomegranate in it. So I tried it on my face and was pleasantly surprised. 4 ways to use your pomegranate. God bless you. Thank you for watching. I am going to enjoy my pomegranate celery lemon fresh cut.